Hello dear students, this is Indu Sharma, a faculty of TGT Science from Suraj Group of Institutions, Rewari. So we were doing the chapter acids, bases and salts. So continuing with the chapter, we have done some basic characteristics of acids and base. After that we have studied some acids and the substances, natural substances in which they are found, also with the base, and we have also learnt about the indicators, right? Indicators tells us about whether a substance is acidic or basic. Now coming to the next point, here we have activity 5.1 in which mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler or test tube. आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू टेक लेमन जूस इन अ कप और अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. नाउ पुट अ ड्रॉप ऑफ द अबव सॉल्यूशन ऑन अ स्ट्रिप ऑफ रेड लिटमस पेपर विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ ड्रॉपर. अब आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली पुट अ ड्रॉप 1 or 2 drops of this solution on the red litmus paper and you have to see is there any change in color, and repeat this same practice with the blue litmus paper, right? So what will you see, as you have already studied, then what will be the color of the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper when we add them on different acids and bases, right? Okay, now look here. These are the two strips. One is the blue litmus paper and second one is the red litmus paper. The blue litmus paper will turn red when it is react with the acids, and the red litmus paper will turns blue when react with the base. Simply जो blue litmus paper जो है वो acids के साथ it gives red color, and red litmus paper will give blue color with the base, right? Again you can see here, identifying an acids and base using a litmus paper. We are having a blue litmus paper. If we have added this blue litmus paper in an acidic solution, then this blue litmus paper will turn red, and when the red litmus paper is added in a base, then its color will turn to blue, right? This was all about. Now coming to our main part, we have to perform the same activity with the following substances such as tap water, detergent solution, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks are the simply soft drinks. Soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia के बारे में I have already told you कि it is generally used to reduce the acidity in the stomach. Washing soda solution, lime water. If possible, make the solution in the distilled water. If you have anything in the solid form, just make a solution of it in the distilled water. And now you have to record your observation in this table, right? Where in the table there is a test solution, effect on red litmus paper, effect on blue litmus paper, कि red litmus paper पे क्या effect हुआ, blue litmus paper पे क्या effect हुआ. In your table are there any substances on which litmus had no effect? कोई ऐसा substance है जिसमें litmus paper का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ, ना तो वो रेड लिटमस पेपर डालने से कुछ चेंज आया कलर में, ना ब्लू लिटमस डालने पर कोई चेंज आया. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दैट केस? The solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solution. वो solution which do not gives any color either with the red litmus paper or with the blue litmus paper, तो ऐसे solutions को क्या कहेंगे हम? Neutral solution. That is which are neither acidic nor basic. These substances are neither acidic nor basic, right? And also to prepare lime water, take some water in a tumbler and add some lime which is also known as chuna, right? This is calcium carbonate into it, and stir the solution, keep it for some time, pour a little from the top. This is the lime water. Just you have to take the solid lime water and add it in the water and just stir it. Next activity, next is there is a turmeric which is also a natural indicator, right? First we are having the litmus paper, secondly we are having the turmeric. Now how will we make it? Take a teaspoon of turmeric powder एक टीस्पून टर्मरिक पाउडर लीजिए एंड ऐड अ लिटिल वाटर एंड मेक अ पेस्ट. जस्ट मेक अ थिक पेस्ट ऑफ दिस बाय एडिंग अ वाटर. नाउ मेक टर्मरिक पेपर बनाएंगे बाय डिपॉजिटिंग द टर्मरिक पेस्ट ऑन द ब्लोटिंग पेपर और फिल्टर पेपर. उस ब्लोटिंग पेपर या फिल्टर पेपर पे वी हैव टू अप्लाई दैट सेमी सॉलिड टर्मरिक पेस्ट एंड we have to dry it and cut thin strips of the yellow paper. और फिर हम उसको thin strips में cut कर लेंगे. then we get the yellow paper. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. अब उस turmeric paper पे what you have to do, you just have to put 2 or 3 drops of the soap solution. And what you observe, now you have to observe what will happen. In this picture you can see easily. This is the turmeric paste, this is the paper in which we are applying it, and here is a soap solution. You can prepare a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. आप easily कर सकते हैं ये. Draw a beautiful flower with the soap solution. Soap solution से एक सुंदर flower बनाइए with the help of a cotton bud. Right? And you will get a beautiful greeting card. Similarly, test the solution listed in table 5.3 and note down your observations. You may try solutions of other substances also. आपने देखा होगा whenever we are washing the utensils, especially in which we have prepared the vegetable, then there are stains of turmeric. We are using turmeric in that vegetable. So there are turmeric stains or yellow stains on those utensils, and when we are washing them with soap or detergent, then what happens, now you will see, you will observe it very carefully at your home in the kitchen, that after applying the soap solution there is appearance of a red color in that turmeric contained utensil. Or also you can see it in the clothes also. Whenever we are washing the clothes with having turmeric stain, then after applying the soap solution, for some time there is a red color appearance of red color will be there. Why is that red color appears? That appears due to there is the turmeric stain, right? And also the soap solution is there, right? So here what we have here, that the soap solution is base, which it will act like a base. Turmeric is an indicator, and turmeric indicator always gives red color with the soap solution. Next time observe this at your home with the utensil also and with the clothes also, right? चलिए, next we have China rose indicator. China rose जिसको गुड़हल भी बोला जाता है, it's a flower, and you have to collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. कुछ warm water आपको उस petals में add करना है, and keep the mixture for some time till the water becomes colored. जब तक वो water color नहीं हो जाता, तब तक you have to mix that solution very carefully and use the colored water as an indicator, and that colored water will act as an indicator, natural indicator. Add 5 drops of the indicator to each of the solution given in table 5.4. There are some test solutions such as shampoo, lemon juice, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, vinegar, sugar solution and common salt solution. अब आपको इसमें क्या करना है कि here is the initial color and you have to find out the final color. So what is the effect of indicator on the acidic, basic and neutral solution? Some of these solutions are acidic, some are basic and some are neutral, right? So China rose solution or this indicator will give different colors with acids, basic and neutral solutions, right? Now China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink. जब आप China rose indicator को किसी acidic solution में डालोगे, then what will be the final color? That will be pink color or magenta color. And what will be with the basic solution? When China rose indicator will be added in the basic solution, that will turn into green. सिंपल सी बात है कि चाइना रोज एसिडिक सॉल्यूशंस के साथ डार्क पिंक कलर देगा और बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस के साथ ग्रीन कलर देगा. As you can see here, turmeric solution. So turmeric solution will give yellow color with acidic solution and red color with the basic solutions. Again we are revising the differences between acids and bases. Acids generally have sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Acids are not soapy to touch, bases are simply soapy to touch. Acids turn blue litmus to red and bases turns red litmus to blue. Okay, now here comes Paheli and Bujo. I'm not getting the same result when using solid baking soda on dry litmus paper. Why? Then Paheli is saying that make a solution of the baking soda and then try. Just I've already told you that if you have any solid part, then please make it an aqueous solution or solution in water, right? Now Paheli brought the following riddle for you. Coffee is brown and bitter in taste. Is it an acid or a base? Don't give the answer without any test. You are in the dark with its taste. Chaliye. Now activity 5.4. The teacher is requested, and don't worry students, we will perform these experiments in our school, in our science labs. The teacher is requested to get the dilute solution for the following chemicals from his or her school laboratory from a nearby school, such as hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide NaOH, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, which is also known as lime water. Right? You have to collect these solutions. We will do it in our labs and demonstrate the effect of these three indicators on each of the solutions recorded, and we have to record the observations. Now question are also there. Great care should be taken while handling the laboratory acids and bases. Acids or bases जो lab में होते हैं, they should be handled very carefully because they are corrosive in nature and they can irritate and harm the skin. One more important thing which is given here is that, are you familiar with the term acid rain? Have you ever heard about this term, acid rain? You have ever heard about damaging effect of acid rain? आपने सुना होगा, ज़रूर सुना होगा ताजमहल के बारे में कि that stone is being degrading day by day. So have you ever tried to find out what's the reason behind that? As the name indicates that rain containing excess of acids is known as acid rain. जिस rain में बहुत ज़्यादा acids होते हैं, that is known as acid rain. Where do these acids come from? अब ये acids आए कहाँ से? The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutants. हमारी air में pollutants हैं such as sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These dissolves in raindrops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Acids बन जाते हैं जब ये gases react करती हैं रेन ड्रॉप्स के साथ. देन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसिड्स टेक्स प्लेस सच एज HNO3, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, राइट, कार्बोनिक एसिड, nitric acid HNO3, and acid rain can cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants as well as animals. Now look here, there is a table where on the left side there are type of indicators and on the right side color change in the indicator, right? So we have the blue litmus, red litmus, turmeric indicator, China rose petal indicator, phenolphthalein indicator and pH paper. We will study this pH paper later on. Now what happens to the blue litmus paper? If we add blue litmus paper in the acidic solution, then it will turn red, and in basic solution that remains as such. अगर blue litmus को आपने acid में डाला then it will turn red. अगर base में डाला it remains as such. Red litmus paper को अगर आपने acids में add किया then it will turn red, और अगर base में डाला then it will turn blue. In the same way turmeric we have also seen the case कि acids के साथ yellow color and bases के साथ brick red color. China rose petals also gives pink color with acids and green color with bases. Phenolphthalein is an artificial indicator, chemically synthesized. It remains colorless with the acidic solution and magenta color with basic solution. Now pH paper, about pH paper we will study later on. So that's all for today, and rest of the topic we will do on the next video. So till then, have a nice day.